Hi, my name is Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the managing attorney at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. Today, I'd like to just discuss a question that I get a lot, especially from people in family-based cases. Many people ask, do I really need a lawyer? My case is pretty easy. I'm not sure that that's necessary. Or will it look bad for me if I have a lawyer on the case? First of all, going to the second question, it's never going to look bad for you to have a lawyer. It's something you're entitled to, and I personally have never seen that be a barrier to getting approved. The overwhelming majority of our cases are approved, and I'm a lawyer. Now, as to the first question, do you really need a lawyer? I'm going to be honest with you. There are some people in some cases where it really isn't necessary, but there's no way to tell if your case is the one where that's going to be needed without at least speaking with an attorney. What might seem to you as a straightforward case might actually have some curveballs and require something extra that you wouldn't be aware about. Additionally, in this field, we look at the forms day in and day out. We know what the adjudicators are looking for. So we're very familiar with the process. You might look at the forms and see them or understand the questions to be something different than they are. And now all of a sudden you make a mistake, and maybe when the officer goes to review your case, they think, oh, you lied because you marked no on this question and it should have been yes. So that's a major concern. Finally, I get a fair amount of people that come to me after they attempted to file on their own and had a denial. And then again, we get most of these cases approved. So that said, you can run into some serious issues if you do this on your own. I would suggest that at the very least, before you file anything, you speak with a licensed attorney about your case so you can get all of your questions answered. The attorney might ask you questions that you weren't even aware of might be issues that turn out to be. And then you'll have a better sense as to whether or not you actually need an attorney. The last thing you want is to wind up in a situation where now you've written or said something that is wrong or has a negative impact on your case, and that later you have to essentially de-scramble the egg in trying to refile, because it becomes a lot more complicated when trying to go back and prove a case where USCIS said that either it wasn't a real marriage or you lied or some other major concern like that comes up, and we have to fix that. So again, always a good idea to at least have a consultation with an attorney. We're here to discuss your case with you if you have any questions. Our number is 833-848-7838. Thank you very much.